As you know, we use the 5-minute opening range breakout on the energy market. So natural gas and crude oil, you would use your TrendCloud opening range tool right there. Now, let's make sense of what happened here today on the opening range. 4-hour chart, that's where we always start. TrendCloud is down, right? Candles are red, TrendCloud is red, 50 simple is red. We are cycling down, which means we're impulsing down. Momentum at that moment in time was also down. See the red bars? Now we're starting to cycle up and turning green, which means we're bottoming out and we're correcting back into the trend cloud to make another move down, right? It's impulse down, correction into the trend cloud, impulse down. You can see trend cloud signal right there on your 4-hour chart showing you where all the sellers are coming in. So a lot of downward pressure this morning. Go to your 1-hour chart now and let's just grab that vertical axis line. Today's Monday and there's 6 a.m., 7 a.m. right there. Let's start right there. Cycling down, momentum is down, trend is down on both time frames, right? We are below negative 100, meaning we have a very strong move to the downside taking place. With that information, we can apply any strategy that we want now. So go over to your 15-minute chart or 5-minute chart, right? We're using the 5-minute in this case because the trend cloud opening range takes place on the 5-minute breakout, right? So this is 9:05 in the morning. That's when this forms. But right here on your 5-minute chart, look what we get. Right there, 7:35 in the morning, there's your first trend cloud signal. Remember, the strongest trend cloud signals happen between 7 a.m. and 11 a.m. Eastern. Don't forget that. There's your trend cloud signal right there. Where's the entry? Right there. Stop loss goes above the pivot candle or the trend cloud signal. So there's your stop loss. Let's make the entry blue as we usually do. And that is your entry. So there's your signal. When do you get into this? It gets you in right at 8:05 in the morning. So 8:05 in the morning, right there, set your sell order. Stop loss goes right there. And perfect. It's just under $200. That's what we wanted to see. Now, this is actually still going, right? It just pulled back and broke structure right here. So let's bring our target right down to there. Okay, and there you go, $620 move today on natural gas. Now, what happened? That's if you took the trend cloud signal. That's always the first setup. What is the second setup here? Let's clear the chart. The second setup is the bull trap, isn't it? There's a bull trap, and then we've got the retest of the opening range. Here's your opening range. Where's that bull trap? Well, you know, with all of this downward, with all these downward signals, right? Downtrend, cycling down, momentum is down, all across multiple time frames. Trend and momentum across multiple time frames is down. So why in the world is this thing starting to break out to the upside here? A lot of people went long here. There's a lot of people that went long and then they got stopped out. It looks like they got stopped out twice here, right? If they went long. What would you be looking for if you're in this situation? Trend cloud is showing you downtrend, cycling down, momentum is down. These are all trend cloud signals telling you, hey, we're looking for a breakout to the downside on the opening range, not the upside. So if it does break to the upside, you know damn well you're looking for what? You're looking for bull trap, right? And what happens here? It doesn't quite reach this rally-based drop, does it? It doesn't quite reach it. It sort of comes back in and hits this full consolidated area here. So we usually draw this stuff like this, right? But by those basing candles. So you might not have got the entry all the way up here, right? You didn't get the entry here, right? So it breaks to the upside, doesn't pull back all the way to your supply zone. What do? Well, you wait for those trend cloud signals right there. So you get a trend cloud signal right here and right here. And where would your entry be? Well, first signal, right? Entry is right there. And this does pull back a little bit more, but if you're above the trend cloud, right? If you're above that trend cloud arrow, let's open this up more and see right there, right? Right above the trend cloud arrow. I love how the arrow gives you that perfect distance between your entry and your stop loss. And then there's your move. So this move right here, there's your entry, stop loss goes there. And it turns out to be the same, right? $190. And what do? You definitely get that 2-to-1. And look what it starts to hit. Previous day's close is what that decided to hit for a total profit of $540. But you did right? You did have your 2-to-1 hit. Go over to your TrendCloud Risk Manager. I love using the Risk Manager tool right here, right? Entry, stop loss, and then you've got your 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 5-to-1. Let's see what it hit right there. So here's your 2-to-1, and didn't quite make that 3-to-1, did it? Didn't quite make that 3-to-1, and then started to pull back. So you made out great if you took the 2-to-1 entry right there, and if you waited it out a little bit more, you would have hit a little bit more than 2-to-1 for that, $540. As long as you used those TrendCloud support levels as your target, you made out like a bandit today. If you'd like to follow the trade plan here, guys, just go over to my profile. And you will see the link right here. Just click onto that and it will send you right to the TrendCloud trade plan. It is for free. You can check it out. And if you'd like to move forward with TrendCloud and you like the way the system works, by all means, you'll be directed to the sales page there as well. Thanks, guys. I will see you in the next video.